guys, I'm back with a new video, and in this video I am going to be testing out some new product releases from foundation. We got a new eyeshadow palette, we have a new primer, we have some new lip colors, we have some faux freckle situations going on. Before we get into the video, make sure you please give me a thumbs up at the end of it if you do end up liking this video and you want to see more, of course. Also, please comment below. Let me know all your thoughts on these products, what you're feeling about it. If you're not feeling it, give me the good, the bad, and the ugly. I want to hear all of you guys' opinions. And, you know, if you wonder why my hands might be a little ashy through the video, I don't know about you, but I like my hands to be very squeaky clean and sanitized before I do anything that has to do with beauty and makeup and touching my face. That's just how I like it. And also because of the climate that we're in, I'm sure all y'all's hands are ashy right now with all the hand sanitizer and hand washing. But enough of me yapping. Let's get into the first product that I'm really excited to try. So the first product I want to try is actually from Revolution Pro, which I think they rebranded themselves. I think I mentioned this before. I'm not sure if I did, but it's Makeup Revolution, and they came out with a blurring stick. I don't know if you guys remember the blurring stick from, what is it called? Oh my gosh, I forgot what it's called. Milk Makeup, the Milk Makeup blurring stick. I remember everybody literally fell in love with that thing. And for me, like, I thought it was cool, but I didn't really get into it like everyone else. But this is the Blur Stick Universal Face Primer. It has vitamins B5, C, and E. So I'm gonna try this out right now, and it has enriching watermelon aroma. So this is what it looks like. So it's like a, I don't know, got a little bit of tint, I guess. Let's see though. I'm just gonna place it. You guys know I don't go too crazy with primer. I'm more open to it now, but still I don't really use it. And because, you know, of the climate we're in, I don't really wear much makeup like I used to anyway. So let's just see what it looks like. Let's see. Oh, I like this. Okay, so it is mattifying. Okay, so I don't know if you can see my nose is pretty oily right now. Watch the shine go away. I think it takes it away. Whoa. That's cool. Let me try it on my chin. Wait, oh, it does have a tint. Interesting. Okay, so it does have a tint to it, which I feel like I would be nervous for my more melanated queens because this is probably gonna look ashy because I just put it on my chin and it looks kind of ashy. Let's see. I don't know if there's different shades. I don't know if they just sent me my shade or if this is the only one. And I feel like if you're super pale, this might be too dark for you. I don't know. It does have a tint for sure, but I'm still gonna use it. It does feel a little different. It feels a little different than the Milk Makeup one. I feel like the Milk Makeup was very mattifying. This one, even though it's mattifying visually, it's kind of it feels kind of greasy. I don't know if I really like it. I don't think I would use this again. I don't like the way it feels on my face, but we're still gonna use it under the foundation and just see what it does. So for foundation, I'm really excited about this because my girl Shayla actually is the face for the new Morphe Filter Effect Soft Focus Foundation. So I'm gonna try this out, and the reason why I'm interested in this one, of course I have to support, but the reason why I'm interested in trying this foundation is because I am more on the natural kind of finish of makeup side now. Like literally my everyday makeup when I do wear it is just like spot concealing. I just put some brow gel on. I have to have my lashes. Cannot go anywhere without my lashes or I look crazy. And then I just put like a lip moisturizer on. Honestly, that's my everyday makeup. That's why it's been kind of hard for me to do any videos because I'm like, I don't really like wearing makeup like I used to anymore. So I am gonna try this out because this is supposed to be more of a natural finish. This isn't the full coverage, super matte, super thick, you know, foundations that you guys are used to me liking or just used to us normally using. Look at this beautiful packaging. Look at this. Look at this face. Look at this. Okay, well, this is the sponge it came with. It came with a brush, but I already took it out because the brush is pretty nice. So I got 3 shades and my shade is, well, I think it is. It's the closest. It's Filter Tan 19. So I'm just going to try this. It looks like it is. The bottle is frosted. So you know what frosted bottles, if you don't know, but if you do, they can sometimes appear like they're your shade and they're not. They could be lighter or darker, so just be aware of that. I'm going to use one of my favorite brushes to apply foundation with. It is dirty, but oh well. It's the Rare Beauty brush, and it's, what is it, AN0B1? I don't know. Anywho, so I'm gonna place some of the foundation on the brush, and let's just see how the coverage is. I feel like this is probably a little too much, but let's just see. I'm gonna start on this side because I'm like recovering from a few scars. If you guys want to know how I got rid of my acne scars, like this product, it's insane. The way it has worked for my skin, this paired with my different, is like a match made in heaven. So if you want a whole new skincare update on my acne, like how I reduce the texture, the scars, I know you guys will probably be interested, but just making sure, like, I got you. All right, so I'm gonna start on this side, and so it is a little more warmer than I am right now because I don't have like any kind of tan or anything, but that's okay. Because you guys know sometimes I like to wear my foundation darker anyway, and on camera it probably looks like the perfect match. I'm just gonna apply it to one side of my face. I'm not sure if it's gonna oxidize, hopefully not, because I feel like the shade looks pretty good, pretty perfect, so I don't want it to get any darker, especially since I'm gonna add like my bronzer. It feels really good too. It feels light. It doesn't feel super heavy. Actually, I really like this finish. This reminds me kind of a more thicker version of my favorite, my NARS, what is it, Natural Radiant Foundation. Kind of feels like that as far as how lightweight it is, how easy it was to blend. You see, it was super easy to blend with the brush. That's why I love this brush. Just brushes in general, I've been liking more than sponges. I feel like sponges just take too much time. So this is a close-up in 4K. I'm actually gonna stay like this so you guys can really see everything. You get to see my texture, my pores, all of that, the little blood on my eyebrow for me cutting myself. All right, so this is this side. This is the side with the foundation. It actually matches me really well. I'm gonna bring it down on my neck. Here, it has more of a, I think this is more of a satin finish. It's definitely not matte, but it's not super dewy, which I like. I'm more in the satin finish realm right now, because then if you have oily skin, in about an hour or two, it's gonna give you that natural dewy look if you do like that. And then if you have dry skin, it's just gonna stay like this and look perfect basically all day. So far, I really, really like it. I like it a lot. If you guys don't have this brush to apply your foundation from Rare Beauty, you need to get it. All right, so this is what it looks like all over my face. As you can see, it does look really pretty under lighting, and it does have that soft focus look. I like it a lot. Now here's a fun fact you guys are gonna be really surprised about that I do not do anymore. I actually don't, well, I haven't, only because, like, I mean, where are we going where we need to set our makeup for hours? I don't really set my makeup anymore. I just apply whatever powders on top of the foundation and let that work its magic. Actually, I might just add like a little bit, just a little bit in the center, just for the sake of the video. I'm gonna take my my Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Finish Skin Perfecting Micro Powder into medium, and I'm just gonna like lightly dust. Okay, that's good enough. Because it did feel a little greasy like where my nose was. But I just do like a light dust now. Like that's all I do. I don't set the cheeks because lately my cheeks haven't really been getting oily like that. So we're not gonna do that. Moving on to the next product that I'm gonna try. This palette I have been waiting for. This is the Kristen Dominique Cosmetics Transition Palette. This palette, look how beautiful this is. This is like the name is. It's a palette full of the most beautiful, perfect transition colors that you need for every single makeup look that you do. So I'm gonna do just a really pretty, natural look, obviously, because it's a transition palette. I'm not gonna go crazy with it, but I just wanna see how well it applies, how well it blends, and all that good stuff. I'm not sure. I think I'm gonna go with Toffee and put that in the crease. I literally just want to use the transition colors since it is a transition palette. I mean, they all are, but I want to use like the basic ones that I normally use. It blends really well. It's not patchy. It's pretty. I'm gonna go a little darker though, but so far I like it. All right, so let's do some more. I'm gonna go in with coffee bean. Wait, where is it? Coffee beans, right there. And oh, coffee beans. And we're gonna put that in the outer part too. Ooh, this is pretty. I'm gonna take the color hazelnut and I'm gonna apply that all over the lid. I think I wanna do like a peachy kind of look today. It really applies beautifully. Definitely already recommend this palette. This is really nice. She did a really good job. There we go. So for the lower lash line, I'm gonna take coffee beans again and just like apply it on the outer part, and then I'm gonna take hazelnut again, apply it in the middle and the outer, and bring it in just to like diffuse it. Pretty. I'm gonna take my Uoma Beauty Drama Bomb mascara. If you guys haven't gotten this mascara, get it. You need it. Okay. Let me do my eyebrows. I'm like, why does this look crazy? These things right here, even though I already tried them out, I'm just gonna use them for you guys in the video. These are the new NYX Lift and Snatch brow tint pens. These things, you have to be a little careful because you can go a little overboard and end up looking crazy, but they are amazing. So let me show you what they do. So I'm just gonna brush my brows up. Okay, so it looks like this. It has a little tip, kind of looks like a liquid pen liner. I'm gonna use the color black. Look how easy it is to fill in your brows. And it gives like hair-like strokes. Look at that. So if you can see, it's a little sparse right here. I'll watch that disappear. Super easy. Look at that. Look at that. Ignore that. That's my that's my dried up blood from cutting myself. I don't know if it's waterproof, so be careful, guys. If it rains a lot where you are, or if you're gonna be sweating, just, I don't know. And I like that it's super fast and it saves time. Like, you really don't have to do much. I mean, obviously, unless like your brows are super sparse. Obviously, I have brows, so it's a little different. So if you're someone who's just wants a quick alternative to filling in brows that you already have, then this is good. So the next product I'm going to be testing out is the Jouer Bare Rose Lip Kit. This is a shine balm and a lip liner. So let's see how that looks. It's like a mauve color. It looks really pretty. This is the balm, and this is the lip pencil. I haven't worn a pink this bright in a minute. Yeah, I'm gonna have to go over this. Not feeling this for my skin. I need a darker liner. But before I do it, let me just put on the balm to see how it looks. I mean, it's pretty. I like it, but I need darker. I just have to. I cannot do the whole same color liner as the lip color. I don't know, for me it just doesn't work. Way better, but the balm is beautiful. This is pretty, even though you can't wear it under your mask. It's a really pretty color. That's actually beautiful. I'm really excited to try this product. This is the Faux Freckle. Well, it's called Freck XL. Wait, what is it called? Oh, it's by Freck Beauty. They just sent me these and I'm so excited to try it. I'm gonna try the original. They do have two other colors. They have, I believe this is black, and then they have one, I think if you're like a redhead or more on the like orange hair, light blondish kind of side. But this is the original one that I'm gonna try. And to all my freckled people out there, you guys are blessed with these. They're beautiful. Don't think they aren't. I know back in the day they used to like be not cool or not a thing, but now look, you got people making products and brands out of your freckles to make fake ones. So I'm gonna try and hopefully apply this the right way to add to this look and finish it off and give myself some faux freckles. Okay, I'm up close and personal. Wanted to get this close anyway so you guys can see how my makeup looks. Look at how nice it looks. Like, my skin doesn't look textured. There's no filter on this video. This is 4K high def right here. You cannot fake this. This is what it looks like up close. Also, my skin is like, I'm having a really good skin week, so that could be why too. My Differin that I use, if you guys still haven't used it, don't know what y'all are doing, because even if you don't have acne, they don't put this claim out, but it does help with your texture. So if you are someone who has texture skin, try it using a retinol or a Differin, or I think it's called Trentanoin or something like that. Anywho, this is what the Freck OG looks like. For the people who do this every day, because I know there's some people I follow and they do their fake freckles. Y'all got dedication, because I cannot sit here and do this and hope for the best that I don't mess up. Okay. Shoot, how do I blend it out? I don't like the way it looks. Wait, do you do it with your fingers? Oh, okay, so you blend it out with your fingers and it kind of, you take off like the excess and it makes it look more natural, but I don't know if I'm feeling this, guys. Wait. Guys, this is why people with natural freckles look better with their freckles, because they were placed in the right way God wanted them to be. Oh man. Well, there goes that makeup look. I'm gonna take this off after the video because I ruined it. The foundation's kind of spreading right here because I kept touching it and blending in the freckles, but I'm gonna have to practice more. Doesn't really look too appealing, but this is the finished look, minus the freckles that I did a horrible job with. I like everything else. All the products that I used, even the primer's still questionable. The foundation is a 100% go. The brows, where's that thing? The NYX Lift and Snatch. You need to get this. The Dominique Transition Palette. I think this is a beautiful staple palette that you need in your makeup arsenal, because I mean, it's a transition palette. Everybody needs transitions. I don't care if you're a beginner, an expert. That's it, y'all. Hope you guys are excited that I'm back. I love y'all. I miss you. I'll see you guys in my next video. Deuces.